Hey there, everybody, it's Dr. Heyer from Holistic Health. In this video, we're going to go over some stretches and exercises that you can do if you're dealing with low back pain, have a history of disc or sciatic issues, or even have hip or piriformis problems. Now, let's be realistic. There are literally dozens and dozens of exercises that I could go over. But the four things I'm going to show you are stretches and exercises that I use on a regular basis, okay? So let's get started. So, at home, you're going to lay down on the floor, and we're going to do what we call the knee to chest stretch, and that's exactly what it sounds like. We're going to bring our knees into our hands and squeeze up to our chest, and simply count from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, what that does is it helps to open up and stretch the space open between the lower back and the vertebrae. Now, whether you're having disc issues or muscle spasms or even facet joint issues, it helps to open up and relieve that pressure. Now, under normal circumstances, we would do 3 sets, but you can do that at home. We want to move on to the next series.
Go ahead.
So, sometimes people have sciatic issues because they have piriformis syndrome or tight muscles in the hips. So a really simple stretch that we can do for that is putting one leg flat to the floor, bringing the other knee up. We're going to do 3 different stretches in this position. I'm going to bring my knee to my shoulder, the same side shoulder. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the pressure. Now I'm going to bring the knee to the opposite shoulder, so diagonally. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. And then the third stretch, I'm going to bring the knee to the opposite hip. I'm going to bring it across and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now what you'll notice is what I'm not doing. I'm not rolling the body. I don't want a torque or a twist in the spine. My butt and my back are flat to the floor or table. I'm simply stretching at the hip. Also what you're noticing is my other leg is flat to the floor. So when I bring this leg up, my other leg shouldn't come with it. All right? That other leg should be flush to the floor and should be concentrating my stretch on the hip. All right? So our next 2, we're going to borrow from yoga. So putting our hands underneath our shoulders, I'm going to pretend that my belly button and my hips are glued to the table. Put my hands under my shoulders. I'm simply going to stretch, push my shoulders up, and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, if you can't do that, that's okay. If you can, great. But the next one I really like, and that's called the child's pose. So I'm going to be on my hands and knees. I'm going to bring my butt down to my feet, my hips to my heels. My hands and my forehead are going to go to the floor of the table. So reaching over my head and hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And of course, we always like to do sets of 3. So if your back's bothering you and you have a history of disc issues or arthritis or sciatic type problems, give those 4 stretches and exercises a try and see if they help relieve the pain. And if they don't, give us a call and we'll look into it further. Thanks, have a great day.